My Apple Watch surprisingly did not come with a power adapter, and they all use USB-C now. I have a few other USB-C things too that I've been looking forward to plugging into the wall. I know that's not the point of USB-C, that you're supposed to plug them into devices, but when traveling and stuff, you still need that wall adapter sometimes. So I picked one up from Apple. Never seen one before, since you pretty much always plug them into devices, but it just makes it easier charging the watch and stuff on your nightstand. It's definitely larger than the traditional USB adapters, which I found pretty surprising. Things usually get smaller as technology progresses, but not the case here. There are some small manuals that come there, but it's mostly just a summary of the warranty from Apple for the adapter. It's definitely better to get these things from Apple when you can, because the third-party adapters sometimes won't give you a full 20 watts, or the delivery voltage will vary, and so could probably damage your device over time. And a lot of these devices are pretty expensive. Nothing really to note there though. And there's the size comparison between the USBs.